there is shenanigans says that in YouTube, shorts are not recommendable. Shorts cannot assist you. Shorts can kill your channel. Those are propagandas. We have come to realize that shorts can be a great thing on your YouTube channel. You upload this way. This way will give you watch time hours. When you upload your short this way, it will give you a watch time hours. When you're uploading, you go on your you make your short go to invisibility there. Make sure it is public. When you go to comment, make sure it is on. When you go to videos, make videos related videos. When you see there related videos, for example, if you are putting your short for the first time, make sure, for example, you have uploaded a video before which have no views and it is not going viral. Please do this. Create a short related to that video. This short, when you are uploading, when you go there on related videos, select that video. You select related video, that video you uploaded before. Then you link the short and the video. This way it will make your short give you watch time hours, and it will make that video go viral. Your video will go viral through this short. You have to know that. Yes, I never knew about this, but I have come to realize there are many things we don't know. As you grow, you go knowing. When you go there, related video, select that video you did before, then link with this short, then you upload. You are good to go. All of that. This is the process. This is the procedure. Thank you. Post shorts this way to get watch time hours. It is very important to know that you can get watch time hours through shorts. Enter on your gallery and get the short you like this one. After you get your short, you want to upload it to go live. Yes, this is the short from my gallery. Type the title of your short. Type the title of your short. Maybe no watch time hours. No watch time hours. This is the short I wanted to upload. Next. Yes, next. Yes, this is how we edit the short. Type the title of your short. Type the title of your short. No subscribers, no watch time, no views. Type the short the way the video you uploaded before it have this title. The other video that you uploaded before, it have the title. Make sure the short is public, visibility is public. In related videos, allow videos at the audio remixing. Yes, that is the best. Yes, add promotion label. If you have promotion label, say yes. If no, say no to upload. Make sure comment is on your shorts. Then related videos. Related videos, select the video which is related to this short, so that you link the video at the short. Related videos, that is where the key is. Related videos, you link the short at the video, then you continue up to the end. That is the way to go. That is how you will get your watch time hours from short. Thank you, and may God bless you.